What's up YouTube? It's your girl Ash and I am back. I am in Pizza Hut's line because I want cheese sticks and I just ordered some chicken Alfredo. So I'm going to show you guys my everyday makeup look. As you guys can see, it's already done, very natural, very glowy look. And I can't wait to show you guys. And yeah, so just stay with me to the beginning of this look. And yeah, so peace out. So starting off, I'm just going to lotion up my body a little bit. And now I'm just going to pin my hair to the back. Then I'm going to apply my lip balm, and then I'm going to spray my Mario facial spray. And I'm going to finish up my skincare routine with my Rose Gold Elixir. So starting with primer, I use the Mineral Infused one by e.l.f. I kind of just put that in like a diamond shape and just kind of rub it in all over my face. After putting on my Mineral Infused face primer, I go ahead and put the Poreless face primer on by e.l.f. as well. With this primer, I do put it all over my face just because I want it everywhere where the foundation will be. Moving on to foundation, I do use Fenty Beauty in the color 420, and I kind of just add like 2 or 3 drops, nothing major, and then I just put it all around my face. I am using the Smashbox powder foundation brush. I know it's not powder and it's liquid, but this kind of just works for me, so. And now I'm just concealing. I use Maybelline Master Conceal in the color 50 Medium. And I kind of just put an upside down triangle. And then following up with that right behind it, I mix it in with my Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 40 Caramel. So as you can tell, I applied the concealer under my eyes, on my nose, a little bit on my forehead, and a tad bit on my chin. And for me, these tend to be the spots where I get the most oiliest. So yeah. So once applied, I go in with my contour stick by Wet n Wild in the color 806. So then I take my beauty blender and my facial spray and I spray it on top of the beauty blender, and then I just go ahead and I blend my makeup out. Then I take another beauty blender and I do the same thing, but this time this is for the contour that I put around my face. Then onto my favorite part, I do take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder, flash friendly of course, and I pat it out on top of the lid, and I kind of just apply it wherever I put concealer at, under my nose, on my head, on my forehead, and on my chin. So when I finish applying my setting powder, I kind of just chill, do whatever for 5 minutes while it sits. And after my time is up and my loose setting powder is ready to come off, I go in with my Kat Von D powder foundation in the shade Deep 72, and I kind of just go over every place that I contoured. Then I take my Maybelline Fit Me Set and Smooth Pressed Powder in the shade 355 Coconut, and I kind of just brush off the rest of my Buttercup setting powder or anything that was left over. And if I think I'm too ashy, I'll take the Kat Von D brush that I used and go over my face. Onto mascara, I'm using CoverGirl Peacock Flare in 790, and it kind of sucks for me just because I don't have any eyelashes. And usually if I'm going out at the weekend, I do have fake eyelashes, but this is just my everyday look, so it works. Sometimes doing my mascara, it might get under my eye a little bit, so that's no problem because I do take my conceal and take my beauty blender and kind of just pat, pat, pat until you can't see it anymore. Finish up with my Urban Decay Naked highlighter, and I kind of just put it on my nose again and again. And again. And then I might put a little bit more on my lip just to get that little shimmer, and of course on my cheekbones. Then I take my Victoria's Secret Minty Shine On lip gloss and I just apply. And now I'm taking my hair down, get a little cute, because this is it. And it only takes me about 20 minutes at max. So thank you guys for watching my YouTube video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Ashia.